Roger, the owner of Ohio Drone Repair, and Kevin. They're the ones going to do the maintenance and any repairs if needed on the drone today. So I'm excited to see what all this entails and how it goes.
All the sensors for all the cameras around the aircraft. Just a recalibration. Make sure you're all up to date and up to speed. Is this the IMU?
Yes.
We're on our way home now from Ohio Drone Repair. We just had maintenance done on the 30T today. Everything was fine with it. Everything checked out. It went good. Roger and Kevin, both are great, amazing guys. I'd recommend anybody needing a drone, any equipment for your drone, any services, any repairs, anything, give them a call. They're great guys to work with, and they're pretty amazing today. So get in contact with them if you need anything drone related.